Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Sliding on Twoz videos. Hey, I'm gonna show you something that could be really helpful for you. So any guy that tie down stuff or you want to tie down your motorcycle, there's some accessories that you just can't do without, and that's these ratchet straps.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no...
Okay, here on this first one, I have a large one, and I want to show you it's all tangled up. So I let a friend borrow it whose name I won't mention, and this is how they brought it back. So I'm gonna try to untangle it because they did it the incorrect way. So let's see. Because if you don't do it the right way, this is what you'll end up with. And you almost never get it loose. Okay, I finally got it done. So so put down in the comments, should you let a friend borrow your stuff? You know what? No, I take that back. It's my fault. I should have showed him how to do it. But you know how guys are. Hey man, you know how to do it? Yeah, I know how to do it. Oh, okay. All right. So anyway, you have these two ends here. So I'm gonna hook this in and secure it over here. Right? Then I'm gonna secure this end over there. And then basically all you have to do is, I'm just gonna make sure it's straight. It's a lot of it. And then I'm just gonna put it in here. Just put it in here. And then it's gonna come through the top here. And you're just gonna let it come all the way through. So once you got it like that, and I like to hold these two ends just to give me some balance, and you can just actually start ratcheting it. And if I don't get my hand out of there, it'll smash my hand. So there we are. Once you get it as tight as you want, that locks it. You could take this, and usually I'll just wrap it around something or put it there. This is secure. It is not going anywhere. It's pretty tight. Now, once you're done, you just unlatch it here and bring it all the way back till it snaps. Once it snaps, it's loose. So now all you have to do now is just pull it on through. So it's fairly easy, but once you tangle it up and you do it the wrong way, I'm going to show you what he did. Because I know exactly what he did and how he got it tangled. So I'm going to show you the wrong way to do it. So if you think about this as being the bottom and this is the top, you should go through the top. What he did is went through the bottom. And once you go through the bottom and come up, it looks the same. So let's just pull it through and I'll show you the wrong way. So now it looks exactly the way the other one looked. Hold these two together, but now you can't ratchet it because it ratchets down. See, it ratchets down, so you can't do it. And once you get that baby tangled up in there, that's it. So I'm gonna show you this other way with a smaller one, that way I don't have so much to play with. And I'm gonna grab something smaller to tie down and show you the correct way again. So I have several of them, and I use them to tie down stuff on my truck when I'm transporting things. If I put my motorcycle up there, I use 3 of those straps. I think these straps are, let's see, yeah, 500 pounds. So if I use 3 of them on my motorcycle, one in the front, one over the engine, and one in the back, it'll hold it down. But a lot of people don't know how to use them. So what I wanted to do today is just take a moment to show you how to do it. I've never done it before. It can be a little intimidating. So I'm going to show you how easy it actually is. So basically what you have is these ratchet straps come in 2 pieces. You have one piece here, and then you have this extra long, this piece with the extra things in it. So I'm not going to put my motorcycle up there today to show you. So what I'm going to do is just tie down this toolbox and just kind of show you how it's done. All right, so it's really simple once you know how to do it. So I'm going to take this part, and you know, people get confused. Do I do it this way or do I do it this way? So one of the ways I do it is I sit it up like it's a chair. You know, like you're sitting in a lounging chair. So I do it like that, but you're gonna take one of the, you take this end, and I'm gonna fasten it here, and it's not going anywhere. See, it's sitting like a chair. And then I'm just gonna take this end, and I'm just gonna fasten it over here on this side. And then what you wanna do is just make sure it's straight. You don't want it crooked. So you make sure it's straight, so I have it straight. And then I'm just gonna take this end like a chair. And what you do is you look for the split. If you can't see that split, if it's like this and you can't see the split, you just ratchet it until you can see a split. Now, can you see that split right there? So you just take this end and put it inside of that split. You put it inside of that split, and I'll turn it over so you can see. And you're gonna put it in this hole here at the bottom. It's actually the top hole, but when you have it upside down, it's the bottom. So you're just gonna put it in the bottom, take up all the slack, make sure it's up there. Just take the slack out. And then what I like to do is pull the slack out and then just hold it right here and just ratchet it. And you just keep ratcheting it. It's not straight right there, but that's okay. As long as it's flat on your cargo. So as you can see, it is really tight. And so what you can do is just tighten it as much as you want. And once you got it where you want it, you lay it flat. Once it's flat, it's locked. So then it's not going anywhere. So now you have all of this extra. What I normally do with the extra is I just put it like this. And the only thing you're doing is just getting it out of the way and just let it lay like that. And so now, I mean, it is not going anywhere. It is really secure. So if you're done, you're ready to take it off. A lot of people get confused on that part also. You just take it back down. And if you look right here, this is the release for it. If you just push the release, you push that release and come up and all the way back, and you hear it click. Now, if I do it one more time, it will loosen it. So you bring it back up, and you heard the click, So once it clicks, now it's loose. You just pull it out. And you're done. And just like that, now you know how to secure anything that you need to pack. And so next time you have to secure something, come back and look at the video, and it's done. Hey, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you put in the comments, I subscribe. And hey, we'll see you in the next video.